7 weather with meteorologist Vivian Gonzalez.
Good morning, South Florida. We are waking up to a few clouds and stray showers out there. And if your commute takes you around sections of Broward and Miami-Dade, some areas will be on the wet side. So if your ride right now takes you through Broward County, we had a shower fizzling right around Lighthouse Point and Deerfield Beach, pushing into southern Palm Beach County. But around Hollywood and Pembroke Pines, North Miami Beach, there's a moderate downpour here, and it's moving through I-95, heading toward the northwest. Opalaka, one tiny little shower there, and then we head into Miami-Dade County, especially around Sweetwater and Westchester. There's one pop-up downpour located now there, and around Palmetto Bay, there's one tiny little shower producing light rain, and around sections of the upper Florida Keys near Key Largo. It is mostly dry between Marathon and the lower Florida Keys, with the exception of a shower moving through Boca Chica. So here's a look at temperatures: 83 in Fort Lauderdale, 82 in Miami, to 83 in Marathon and Key West, with the humidity very high, letting us know that there's more moisture for rain out there. Winds out of the southeast anywhere between 3 to 12 miles per hour. And our forecast calls for some sunshine and some sea breeze showers and storms heading into the afternoon. Heading into our Wednesday, we're going to get more cloud cover, and the coverage for rain actually increases throughout the day. So keep that in mind and be weather aware with your storm team. Heading into Thursday, it'll be very muggy across South Florida. We'll see some pop-up showers and some inland thunderstorms. Now in the tropics, there are now a parade of waves out there, surrounded by dry, dusty air, keeping them in check from organizing. But in the eastern Pacific, there's an area with a high chance to develop 70%, and we're tracking Barbara and Cosme. Barbara continues to weaken just off the coast of west central Mexico, and then Cosme is actually holding steady near hurricane strength. Your boating forecast calls for no advisories. Southeast winds 5 to 15 knots, seas building up to 2 feet. For the Florida Keys, no advisories. Coastal waters light to a moderate chop. With the next tide cycle, that's going to be high tide at 8:07 in Fort Lauderdale. So highs today in the upper 80s, typical for this time of year. We'll see some isolated storms tonight, few clouds, passing shower or two, with your extended outlook calling for more in the way of coverage of showers and storms between Wednesday and Thursday. Drier by Friday as another batch of Saharan dust settles in. That's your 7 on 7.